This shredded chicken thighs recipe makes everyone fight for the last piece, so make extra. This is going to be so simple and easy. In a pot with cold water, add your chicken thigh and crank up the heat until it boils and then simmer it down 20 to 25 minutes. While that is cooking, I went ahead and started on my rice. I also linked in the description down below. If this is your first time here, I am Melanie. Subscribe and turn on the bell for weekly Vietnamese Asian home cook, gardening, and more. I had made about a handful of garlic and shallot and shredded ginger going. It was about 3 to 4 garlics and about 1 to 2 shallot. And my soy sauce is ready to go. Don't worry, I will link it down in the description below. My family likes this so much and I keep making this recipe until my last chicken thigh ran out during the COVID-19 lockdown. So this is what I have to share with you until things start to level out. This is how I would check to see if the chicken is ready. I usually let it go for about 20 minutes or so. Before I take it out, I just want to make sure that I poke the chicken with the thickest part. If the blood is oozing out, it's not ready. I just want to show you that. Comment down below and let me know what part of chicken you will try, because I like chicken thigh. This is also optional. Get you a cold ice bath going. So this is ready. We're gonna torture this chicken to death. This is just to give the skin a little crunchy and stop the cooking so that the chicken is not too smushy. But this is optional. While that is going, crank on a high heat with a large pan. Add in about a good amount of oil, 3 to 5 tablespoons. Throw in your shallots and your garlic and about half of the ginger. I love fresh ginger, so I left half of it to garnish on the top. Let it go for about 3 to 5 minutes until you see this golden brown looking. When it starts to turn brown, that is when it's done. Don't overcook it because it's gonna turn into black and it's bitter. You don't want that. So remove the garlic and the shallot and pour in your soy sauce potion. Turn off the heat and just pour it out. That sizzling will give that soy sauce this awesome flavor. Tear your chicken in pieces or shred the chicken. I'm telling you, we're torturing this piece of chicken so bad, but it's gonna be so good. Sprinkle some of those nice ginger, fresh ginger, and drizzle that soy sauce on top. This is so yummy. The rice should be also ready. And you can pair this with, your sandwich, your carb, your anything, but I am going to pair this with rice. This looks so good, guys. This is so good. Give it a taste. It has a light sweetness to it. It's not sweet now. It's not sweet, but it has that nice touch of the sweetness, and the soy sauce is not too salty. The flavor of the oil, I also have a shredded chicken salad recipe linked in the description below for you. It's also in my chicken playlist. I've done it again. If you're like me, I will sprinkle all those shallots on top. Don't make it go to waste. I hope you enjoyed this quick and easy recipe, and don't forget to give it a big thumbs up to let me know. Subscribe if you haven't for weekly Vietnamese, Asian home cook, gardening, and more. Have a great day and bye-bye.